Exercise 5.1, question number 1. In which of the following situation does the least of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? Under that first question is, the taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometers. So what the saying is the taxi fare for each kilometer. So we can take the first kilometer. What is the taxi fare? That is 15 rupees. So what is the taxi fare for 2 kilometers? For 2 kilometers, that is 50 rupees, 15 rupees plus 8 rupees. That gives us 23 rupees. For the 3 kilometers, we can add this 15 plus 8 and one more 8. That is 31 kilometer. Fourth kilometer, if I go, that is 15 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, I get 39. So if you see, there is an addition of 8 after each kilometer. Now we can write this sequence as 15, 23, 31 and 39. If I check the difference here, let's see what is the difference. How do I find the differences? T2 minus T1. What is the second term I have? So we consider this as T1, T2, T3, T4. So T2 is 23 minus 15. So I get 8. Same way, if I do for T3 minus T2, which gives us 31 minus 23, again 8. As you see now, the difference are same. We can say that it is an AP. Question number 2. The amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. So let's consider a cylinder filled with air. So we'll consider it's a full of volume. So every time 1/4 of air is removed. So that means 1/4 of volume is removed from the old cylinder. So first time what happens? The volume remains same. For the second times, the volume get reduced by 1/4 of the volume which is pumping out. Third time, the volume again get reduced with whatever the value you have here with 1/4 of the new value. So we need to find each time what are that volume has been remaining every time. So we'll take the first set. In the first step, whatever the volume is there in the cylinder is V. For the second set, what happens? So 1/4 of volume is removed. So that is from total volume, 1/4 of volume is removed, which gives us again a fraction of addition or subtraction here. So 4V minus 1V by 4, which is 3V by 4. So 3/4 of volume is removed for the second time. For the third time, what happens? Now I have already left out with 3/4 of volume. In that, 1/4 of volume is removed with the remaining volume, which gives us 3V by 4 minus 3V by 16. So when I take LCM here, I get LCM as 16, and when I solve 3V by 4 into 16, the first fraction, I get 4 4s are, that is 6, 3 4s are 12V. So 12V, and second it's same, 16 get cancelled. That gives us 3V. 12V minus 3V, which is 9V by 60. Now if you see here, the answer whatever we're getting is V, 3V by 4 and 9V by 16. Now it's easy to say that it's not an AP because the difference is not same. So difference is T2 minus T1. What is T2 value? 3V minus 4 minus V, which again makes us 3V minus 4V by 4 minus 1V by 4. So this is the difference for the first two set. If I do the difference for third and second set, I get 9V by 16 minus 3V by 4. we get LCM again 16. This is 9V minus, that is 4 4s are, that is 4 3s are 12. So 12V, which gives us minus 3V by 4. As we see here, the difference are not same. So this difference are not same. We can easily say it is not an AP. So question number 3. The cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when its cost is rupees 150 for the first meter and raises by 50 rupees for each subsequent meter. So for the digging for 1 meter, so what is the cost they are saying? For cost of digging 1 meter, they are saying it is 150 rupees. For the second meter, so they gives us 150 plus 50 rupees raises, so which gives us 200. So now we know for third meter or 3 meters, now it becomes 150 plus 50 plus 50, that is 250. Now fourth, 150 plus 50 plus 50 plus 50, which gives us 300. So now we got an AP, that is 150, 200, 250, 300, so on. So the cost of 1 meter is 150 rupees, and for 2 meters is 200, 3 meters 250, 4 meter 300. Now how do you find it's an AP or not? Again we are going to use difference formula, that is T2 minus T1. What is T2? 200 minus 150. So 200 minus 150 is 50. Again if I find T3 minus T2, which gives us 250 minus 200, which gives us 50. As we see the difference are same, we can conclude that therefore it is an AP. Question number 4. The amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at a compound interest at 8% per annum. So here they are saying the principal amount what is depositing is 10,000 rupees. Every year they are getting an interest of 8%. So we'll see what is the first year amount it will be. So first year will be same 10,000 rupees. For the second year, what happens? The 10,000 remains same plus the 8% interest. So what is the 8% interest for the 10,000 rupees? We'll check. That is 8 by 100. 0 zeros cancel. 100 into 8 is 800. So 800 rupees interest we are getting for the second year. So when I add, I get 10800. Again, for the third year, if I check, so what is the principal amount now I get? 10800 plus the interest. So I need to find that interest into 8 by 100. 0 cancel. 8 8s are 64. 6. Again, 8 1s are 8. So 864 is the amount we are getting. So if I add this two, I get 11664 rupees. So the first year, what is the amount? 10,000. Second year, 10,800. Third year, 11664. Now we need to find the difference. We'll check is the difference are same or not. So for finding difference, we'll use D is equals to T2 minus T1, that is 10800 minus 10,000, which gives us 800. But when I do for T3 minus T2, 11664 minus 10800, which gives us 864. If you see the difference are not same, therefore we can conclude it is not an AP.